Why, hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and today is O Come Little Children tutorial, walkthrough, step by step, whatever you want to call it, on the violin, all right? This is song number 5 in Suzuki book number 1 for violin, okay? So, Song of the Wind. This one is a tricky one for some of my students, most of my students maybe. Some of them find it to be super easy, and other ones are like, help me please, because this is like what's going on. And the reason why is there's 2 things, okay? There's 2 reasons why this is a tricky song, all right? Number 1 is it starts up bow, and we have 2 up bows several times in the song in a row, okay? So let's just practice. We'll practice that, you know, ahead, and then it'll be okay. And then number 2, the second thing that we have that's tricky is tunnels. All right, I call them tunnels. It's not an official term. But so here we have the E string. What we need to do is play on the A string 1, 2, and 3, and not touch the E string. So here, here. See, I have my fingers down, but the E string can still ring. So I'm tunneling over. I'm creating an archway over the E string. Okay, so easier said than done. Right, so let's practice the double up bows first, and then we'll do the tunnel practice. Here we go. So double up bows. Get your instrument up. Okay, let's try it. So we're on the A string, A1, 2. You just want to plop them down. A1, 2. Hear that? Okay, that's how professionals usually find their notes. They don't pluck them. They just go. That's it. They got it. Okay, here we go. So we're at the tip, up bow, on the A string 2, and we're going to go to the halfway point. Let's slightly drop our elbow and then do a short up bow on the E string. Let's do that again. Tip, ready, go, up, stop, up bow. Okay, that's it. So once we can get that technique, those are our 2 up bows in a row. And it happens in several places in this song, but it'll be easy once we get to it now that we've done that. We've established that. Okay, tunnels. Now the tunnels, all right, I showed you what they look like, okay? And the success for the tunnels is to not have pancakes. That pancake wrist, oh geez, it's gonna be problems, okay? Because it's also gonna flatten our fingers, or flat fingers. That's also not a good thing. See how much space that takes up? There's no way that I can get a nice tunnel clearance over that E string if I'm kind of plopped down like that. I'm just like, bleh, I'm taking up too much real estate, okay? And for tuning, it's also not good to have so much space, right? We really want to be as adjusted and exact. So we want that fingertippies, okay? We can call these umbrella handles, monkey tails, whatever you want, as long as they're nice arched over that E string, okay? And it creates a nice, beautiful hand position too, okay? Now, why do we need to do this technique, right? It's like, it's so much easier just to like, I can just hop. I know where the notes are. I can hop, 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 hop. Well, look at that, okay? Right? This song, if we don't have to do if we just do this technique of tunnels, this is what it looks like. See how silent that is versus so much hopping up and down, right? So that's the difference, okay? If you can't get this technique for whatever reason, it's not easy, you know, and you're having trouble, you can do the hopscotch, but ideally you would really try to get these tunnels to happen, okay? So let's practice the tunnels and see, you know, how to get there. So let's get your violin in guitar position, okay? Because I think it's easy to kind of see what's happening. So let's do A, E, A. Good. Now can we do 1, E, 1. So what you have to do is create that tunnel over the E string, okay? Tunnel over. And if you have to lean towards the D string, okay? Find what's going to work for you so that you have that clearance, okay? We shouldn't hear any of this thud stuff. Any of that, no. Okay? We want to hear that clean E ringing. Now let's move on to 2, okay? Keep your 1 down. 2, E, 2. Okay? Okay? If you're having trouble with your A string notes, make sure you're pushing down hard enough, okay? That you're really creating a clean contact there with the fingerboard. All right, now 3, E3. I call this strong fingers, okay, if you're having trouble with that. Make sure your fingers are really fingertippy and direct, okay? Very strong, okay? All right, so once you can get that, let's try it up here in playing position. So A, E, A. 1, E, 1. 2, E, 2. 3, E, 3. And once you can get that, if you have to practice, but if you can get that, this song will be much easier, okay? I guarantee you, your fingers will, your look will be very quiet with your fingers. We're not going to have this hectic look to it. It's going to be very calm and awesome. This song is very smooth, so we want to have these smooth, calm fingers, okay? All right, here we go. This song has 4 parts, or I should say 4 lines. And the good news is that line 2 is an echo of line 1. So really, boop, we move them together. We have 3 unique lines that we have to learn of music, okay? So, first line. E, here we go. I'll sing it for you. It's E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. All right? So all the E's are going to be your open E's, okay? And then all the finger numbers I'm singing are going to be on the A string, okay? And so you hear that crossing back and forth, okay? So, I'll show it to you here, okay? So it's going to be E, E, and then get our finger 2, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Let's do that again. I'm going to prepare my 1 and 2 ahead of time. And then just check my E. Ooh, so I have them down and I can ring that E. Here we go. Let's try that again. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Let's try that up here, okay? Ready, go. Oh, get your fingers ready. 1, 2. Ready, go. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Okay? The second line is an echo, so just play quieter. Let's try that second line. Ready, go. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Ooh, I scraped that E string a little bit. Let's do it from that first line loud, second line quiet, and see if I can play it as cleanly as possible. Ready, go. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Now echo. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Ooh, that was pretty good. Okay, now the third line, oh, go back if you have to practice. Now the third line, okay, goes like this. It's 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. All right, so that's going to be 1 is the only thing on the E string at the end, okay? Everything else is A string, okay? So I'll pluck it now so you can see it here. So 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, let's try it up here. A, 1, 2. Here we go. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Now the good thing, the fun thing about the third line is that there's what we call a crescendo. So we start quiet and we get louder until the end, okay? So it kind of grows. And the music notes get higher anyways, the pitches. So it kind of is natural. We call that contour dynamics, where we follow the pitches going up, okay, and getting louder. All right, let's do lines 1, 2, and 3 together, okay? We're building up. We're going to get a workout here. Ready, go. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Echo. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Here's the crescendo. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay. The last line, line 4, okay? It's going to start from that 1 again, and it's going to be loud. 1, E, 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 3, E, 2, 3, 1, 1, A. Okay? So now, it's going to be 1, E, 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 3, E. That's all E string, and then 2, 3 is where we're onto the A string. 2, 3, 1, 1, A. So I'll pluck that showing here. So, right. So E1, 1, E, 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 3, E, A string, 2, 3, 1, 1, A. Okay? Let's try that fourth line up here. Okay, so E1, ready, go. 1, E, E3, E2, 3, 1, 1, A. Okay, that 2, 3, cross over to A. Let's do, are you ready for this? Lines 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the repeat. I know, are you kidding me, right? There's 8 lines that we have to play. You know what? I know some of my students hate repeats, but you know what? If you're thinking of the repeat as like torture and like why and like, oh, I hate this, think of it in a positive way, because we're never perfect, even me, right? I mean, I'm always trying to improve. Think of the repeat as a chance to get better and to play, to learn it better, to perform it better, and anything, little thing that you hear, if you're a good musician, you're going to be hearing stuff and be like, oh, that could be better. Next time, make it better. So on the repeat is the second chance to sort of, really exercise and to make our music come out as best as we can. Okay, so here we go. So think positive on those repeats, and it'll get us through the endurance and the tiredness of it all. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2 on the A string. Ready? Go. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Echo. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Crescendo. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. 1, E, 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 3, E, 2, 3, 1, 1, A. Repeat. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Echo. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Up-o. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. 1, E, 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 3, E, 2, 3, 1, 1, A. Okay. Whew. Oh, I kind of gave it away. I said up-o in that pizzicato. There's no bows there. But that's what we're going to do next. Are you ready for the bows? I gave you a quick preview. Here we go. Let's do line 1 and 2 together, so that we'll see how the up-bows join line 1 and 2. Okay? So loud and echo. So we're going to start on E string, middle of the bow. Here we go. Up-bow, 1 and 2, ready, go. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Tiny up-bow on the E. E, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. That's it. Tiny bows for that echo, okay? Now, if you have trouble, let's just practice doing like 2 with the open E. So down, up, down, up. And let's try E2, E2. All right, so we're going to try to practice that back and forth. Okay, so here we go. So if you have trouble, practice that back and forth, kind of get that elbow. It's really a small movement. Most people go way too far and then they get the D string, and no, it's just really, really close, okay? So here we go. Let's play the whole thing with the bow. Sorry, 1, 2, and 3. We're adding on the third line. Here we go. Ready, up, bow, go. 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Echo, up, bow, E, 2, E, E, 2, E, 3, 1, 1, 2. Up, bow again on the 2. 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, that's that. So go back and practice that. And then we're going to add the fourth line now, okay? And we're going to continue from that 1 and do 1, E, so up, down, and then we got the rest of the song. And we have to repeat back to the beginning. So let's do this last time with line 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the repeat. Let's just put it all together, okay? Here we go. A, 1, 2. Middle of the bow, E string, up, bow, go. E, E, 2 E, 2 E3, 1 1 2. Echo up, E 2 E, 2 E3, 1 1 2. Up bow, crescendo, 2 1 1 1 3 3 3 2 2 2 1. Up bow, 1 E 3 E 2 3 1 1 A. Repeat up, E 2 E 2 E3, 1 1 2. Echo up, E 2 E 2 E3, 1 1 2. Crescendo up, 2 1 1 1 3 3 3 2 2 2 1. Up bow, 1 E 3 E 2 3, 1 1 A. Okay. Whew, a workout. Now, if you can get through all of that, you might be ready for the playthrough, which is the next video in this series. So, playthrough, slow and fast tempos, you got it. Okay. If you need to go back and practice this is not an easy song. Okay. So, if you're ready, I'll see you in the tutorial. In the playthrough next.